You know how everyone says trade smarter, not harder, and I found something that exactly does this for Solana users, and that's Odinbot Pro. So Odinbot lets you automatically copy trade from the top of one wallet the second they make a trade. In fact, 40% of these trades actually land up in the same block as the person you are mirroring. That's the speed most bots can't even touch. But the real beast is Odinbot Pro, and we'll talk about that in this video, so let's get to our screen. So to access Odinbot, you need to go to their website, which is odinbott.io, and the link is in the description. And from there you need to just click on the enter app button. You can just see all these testimonials and all the features being written over here. You just need to click on enter app, and from there you will just come here to a website where you need to log in. You just need your email. You can just sign up if you're a new person, and after signing up you just need to fund your wallet. It will give you a QR code, and you need to fund your wallet to actually help it to trade. So after logging into the dashboard, you will be here. You have option like fund, mirror, control, and all of these. So you can just fund your wallet more if you want. You want to fund more money into it, you can just do that, or you can just click on mirrors, add wallet to mirror, and if you have any wallet in mind that you want to mirror their trades or copy trade them, you can just add their wallets over here. And you have options like add multiple mirrors. So if you want more than add more than one wallet, you can just do that here. And next, coming to the next option, which is controls, you will get options, lots of options here like max buys, max buy per minute, per day, per hour, per week. You can just change all of them manually. So these are the options you are just getting in the free version only. You don't need anything. But we'll come to the Odinbot Pro. So you have the Odin Pro special feature, which is called screener, and when you go on it, there is a 6 months plus 12 months offer going on, which is the special launch offer. You can just get that, and let me tell you what you get on the Odin Pro. So you get advanced analytics, real-time performance trading, and full risk management tools like take profit, stop loss, slippage protection, and everything built right in. You can even customize your trading parameters, control execution speeds, and build your own strategy instead of blindly copying others. Basically, Odin Pro gives you control and automation at pro level speeds, and since it's web based, you don't need to worry about the clunky Telegram commands or missing a snipe. Everything happens on a clean interface. So they are already powering 14,000 plus traders on Solana, and you can check their live speed dashboard on speed.odinbott.io. So if you are serious about trading Solana tokens, stop guessing and start mirroring the pros. Check out Odinbot Pro at odinbott.io, because in this market, speed isn't an advantage, it's survival.